The next MicroStation release will provide us with point cloud tools. This will allow us to import or add many different point cloud formats and build the native format, which in this case is a pod file. Once the pod file has been created, we can display that within MicroStation environment. And the display settings for the MicroStation view will allow us to view the point cloud by classification, elevation, or intensity. Each one of these provides multiple options for display. The nice part about the MicroStation implementation of point clouds is that we keep every point of the point cloud. It's not decimated in any way. You see all of the data, and it's very fast. Right, so you can see here the data that was collected within the point cloud, and you see every point. So from a civil focus, we're more interested in the classification system. Typically, the interested part for a civil design will be the ground. So let's disable the classifications that we are not interested in when we want to build a digital terrain surface. So now we can see just the ground points. All right, I'm going to reset the view to top and fit that view. And what we'll do now is extract this data, and we can extract all of the data, or we can extract within a fence area. So I'm going to place a fence out here that covers the main areas of the traffic lanes. Okay, and then we activate the data acquisition tools. The data acquisition tools allow us to collect data from multiple sources and combine them to build a single digital terrain model surface for design purposes. So we go to surfaces, right click and create a surface by importing the point cloud. The dialog allows us to filter the point cloud data as we bring it into the DTM. We do have the option to not filter, but typically you'll want to filter because there's significantly more data there than really what you need to build a DTM. So set the filtering tolerances as required and click the filter button. It will go out, find every point of the point cloud within that fence area, and then run this tile filtering across the top. Reduce the data in this case by about 88%, so that we end up importing 263,000 points roughly, and accept that. That will build us a data acquisition surface. So we've got the surface here. We can now manipulate the outside edge of the triangulation, so set the maximum side length, reset, for example, the major and minor contours for that surface. I'll go to the point cloud tools again to disable the view of that point cloud so that we can more easily see our data acquisition features. So we'll view the major and minor contours. So we built the digital terrain surface. Once we've built the digital terrain surface in data acquisition, we can then export to any of Bentley's civil products, Geopack, Inroads, MX, or we can export to Land XML for exchange with other clients.